Greetings. Welcome to Consider the Alternative, a Course in Miracles channel. Today we're on Lesson 274. Today belongs to love. Let me not fear. Father, today I would let all things be as you created them, and give your Son the honor due his sinlessness, the love of brother to his brother and his friend. Through this I am redeemed. Through this as well the truth will enter where illusions were. Light will replace all darkness, and your Son will know he is as you created him. A special blessing comes to us today from him who is our Father. Give this day to him, and there will be no fear today, because the day is given unto love. Lesson 274. Today belongs to love. Let me not fear. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow.